Okay, welcome back to Parcel Fabric Tools Video 2. This time we're going to not really demonstrate, but just show you where the tools are. As stated in Video 1, a lot of these tools that we use are demonstrated in videos already. So the first thing we're going to do, we explored the actual toolbar and what it does. But when you make a selection, I'm just going to select any polygon, and I highlight it, and I right click within that polygon, I get another command window. In this command window, you have construct from parent. This is demonstrated in compiling minerals, and I believe in a couple other videos, there's a demonstration of how this is utilized in construct from parent and the tools that are available there. This is to open and view the edit attributes, dimensions of the selected parcel. Merge. You have to have two parcels selected for this to show up. And if you do, and you have the two parcels, and you decide they need to be merged together into one for whatever application you may be needing to do, or say you divided a parcel and you decided I divided the wrong parcel, I'm going to merge it back. This will open up the merge dialog box. In merge, you can tell it which parcel attributes you want to hold. However, that doesn't mean all the attributes are going to be correct. You still may need to actually edit the name, but if you told it the parcel that you wanted, then that name should be retained. The only other thing is the acreage may not be correct, and you may need to edit that. Parcel division, this is for dividing into equal widths and proportional area. I find using the segmented line tool to be a little more user-friendly for when I'm just dividing up adequately, because I'm generally just dividing my polygon midpoint to midpoint and find that easier to use. I have used this, but I found I like utilizing the segmented line tool in either in your construct from parent dialog box. Parcel remainder, used this a couple times early on when we had gaps and overlaps that you can remove them. It's a little tricky to work with, but if you have an instance, you may want to experiment with it to basically remove the gap or overlap. Generally, it's only going to work when there is overlapping parcels. Explode multi-part parcel. I have not had the opportunity to utilize this as of yet, but it probably does exactly what it says. Merging courses is demonstrated in the video Merging Courses, so you can watch that video and find the use of this tool. Duplicate. Create a duplicate parcel in a specified plan. Have not had the opportunity to utilize that. Toggle the historic attribute of the parcel, and you can send it or find out if it is historic, and it'll show up as either true or false. This is if you're going to unjoin or rejoin. This will be as demonstrated in a couple videos in compiling data. The video is not actually released yet, but it will be demonstrating unjoining and rejoining parcels when you're compiling new data never collected. Paste is if you had copied something and you want to paste it in. You have copy, of course, and delete. It deletes whatever parcel you have selected, or point or lines or whatever you have selected. It will delete that. So this pretty much covers what is there. I mean, there's multiple uses for several of these tools. Construct from parent and merging core. Well, construct from parent is probably the most used in any of the videos, and merging courses is used in a couple different applications. of what you want to do with that course. Basically, it's been utilized to eliminate unnecessary parcel points that were just relics of the old GMM data that have no supporting approved survey for them to support why those points are there. So other than that, these are where you'll find the tools. These two videos, if you review them quickly, when you're watching the other videos, may be able to help you find the tools more quickly, or just review every so often before you start an edit session if you haven't been in doing edits within the Parcel Fabric recently. Just maybe a quick review of which tools are where and kind of what they've done. So this will conclude video 2 of the Parcel Fabric tools.